un pic. Cred că numai 5 cent. Bun.
Mai jos? Da?
Poate un pic numai cam periculos. Hop.
Ok.
Bun. Putem să-l punem în jos, Cătălin. Dă-mi așa netă.
Trebuie să pui jos?
Da.
Pune jos.
Că nu...
Ceagnăm.
Little.
That's the problem with this one. It's a high attic.
You have one pipe also.
Where?
Okay.
No, Cătăline. You have paper, Francis?
I have paper.
Go. Over there.
First we're going to
Inverter.
This is not working. 734. You can open it. Ah, nu știu ce n-am luat vaselină, ai luat-o?
O rămas acolo. Ce zice în vaselină? Gel de la pizdă. Ele zuchi. Francis, what is vaseline?
Yeah.
Ne aude, râde, mă, normal, vezi? Nu mai Greeks, nu?
Okay, I'm not gonna use the Vaseline anymore because he's not my type.
Greece.
Greece, okay? He's not my type. He's a nice lady, but not for me.
It's all recorded, eh? What you are saying now?
Hai să-mi bag.
Can we joke or not? I'm gonna be on YouTube.
I'm gonna take out.
Is that because
The fuse is off.
okay. This is one with the dead display. I don't know, let me check if the AC is on. 24, huh?
No, it's not necessary to put AC on.
Okay.
I have to measure first because normally the display must be activated through the
It
DC.
doesn't matter, AC or DC. Yeah. Yeah, Costa.
It's there. You see?
There. Oh, yeah, it's blinking barely. It's barely
That's
alive.
something with the voltage.
Why?
DC.
Go this one. It's dead.
Oh, why?
It's not
It was
possible.
good.
You switch off.
The battery is dead.
Battery is possible, no.
This is good. One string. The third and the fifth. Usually. 734. I'm sure even the AC is working.
Yeah? And now you have AC?
No, doesn't matter. Millivolts, no, volts, 10 volts. No, no, it's kind of cold today.
Nu, 11 grade.
Trebuie să mai ai zmane.
Ba, nu.
N-ai zmane?
Ah,
Ia, ce șmecher ești.
Minus is here.
Ce? Ce?
Okay. There's nothing there. Two. And if I measure that one, minus is here.
Zero? Zero.
Nowhere.
Nowhere. You have like a main fuse, something? I don't think it's a cable.
Yeah, but you have to, it's underneath. You see. Look, you have the DC, it's going inside,
Mhm.
then you have the fuse, you have the coils for distortion, you have the over voltage protection. Here you have the 600, and this is the transfer, high frequency, who will make you 12 volt, 5 volt and 24, and also minus 5.
Okay.
This is the power supply who can regulate all this. Now it's trying to start,
But not enough.
it cannot start further.
Okay.
It's only in the start up phase, but not in the operating mode.
Understood. So you want to take this one out?
Yeah.
Let me go. Take the key down.
dus
Desfacem. Scoatem cheia. Gonna take the
Yep.
DC. It's already out.
no, it's already out. I told
It's
you.
already out.
That's why we don't,
Don't
have
measure.
Hold on a
voltage.
second.
That's why we don't
but
have
it's
the
going
voltage.
through something.
Yeah, but this because this one is
Okay.
have a little bit of leakage.
Hold on a second. I have to find the key. You want me to power? To be able to start it on,
Yeah.
let's put the key.
Yep. You see, it's doing the same.
Ja.
Your power supply is trying to start up, but is not able to go in operating mode. So there is somewhere one short circuit.
You see the frequency on this is different than the other one.
Yeah,
the
the
other one
one.
was like
Yeah.
cooling down.
But the problem is not in this, but it's underneath.
You want to take it out, this one? Yeah, then.
No, have to take out also cable.
Hmm?
Cable also.
Yeah, you have to take out the strings.
Trees.
And it's MC3, huh? It's with rubber.
No, pe catalyst așa.
Don't touch inside, huh? What?
Yeah.
Fast.
This is already simplex.
This one?
Yeah, this is one simplex.
Take the other one down. Those are easy to take it out. Plus one. Plus e cu problemă. Ai grijă la mânuț.
Bun.
Has to get that.
Still blinking.
It got charged up somehow, huh?
Yep.
400 volts.
It will drop. You have to wait 2 minutes.
We open another one.
Yeah. Unii
What
ăla.
was 52? We have 3 of them here. 52 and 58. At the end of it.
Normally 546 and 681. And 734, that was display
This is
off.
the 734.
So this is the 734.
734.
Yeah.
Ai numărul la invertor?
Da.
Acolo?
Stai așa puțin.
Să nu fie mai...
L-am dat. I-am dat și numerele, da, uite la George. Ai luat ăla să desfacem?
Imbusul l-am. Eu o tot pe invertor.